And this is Sam. Nice document too. Now, Sam was rescued by Ocean Adventure. Sam, the spotted dolphin, was accidentally caught in a fishing pen or backlog. So, the community members called Ocean Adventure for help. So, he brought here and nursed back to help. But we felt that his survival in the wild were quite poor. So, what we do, we introduce Sam to our whales and dolphins, and we have become very special member of our situation family. Hey Sam! How about a big wave hello to our guests? Wanna say hi? No? How about you, Tonka? Say hi? There you go. Thank you too for sharing your stories with us. Now, dito po sa Ocean Adventure, we use positive reinforcement to train their animals. What that means, to get something they like in